I'm back. I'm back. Took about a week off, and now I need to play catch up. Quote of the week: if you can't outplay them, outwork them. And that's from Ben Hogan. If you can't outplay them, outwork them. For those that like to work out and exercise, I might have just the app for you to make money while you walk. Warren Buffett said if you don't make money while you sleep, you'll be working for the rest of your life. But I guess the next best thing is to make money while you walk. So, hey, I'm back. Took about a week off. Now I need to play catch up. It's the crypto machine, Johnny Diamond Hands, hitting you with this step app. So we all exercise or we work or we move around on a daily basis. So why not make money for each step you take? Enter the step app. Now this app and this site, they've been in development and progress for some weeks now. And because when I went to this go to app button, it wasn't working. But today it's working. So this is hot off the press. It allowed me to sign up. So I'm putting my referral link in the video description below. So you can go down there in the description box and click that referral link and sign up right away. Why do I say sign up right away? Because it has a countdown going. So this countdown is going. It's on here for 5 days. In 22 hours, 57 minutes, and now it's down to 4 seconds. So until they launch. So they're launching in roughly 5 days. This step app is a protocol built by the core team. The core team, this team, they put together this step app. They talk about how the NFT economy has ushered in a variety of altcoin sector bull runs. The prominent of these has been the dominance of the GameFi industry and the Metaverse. So they watched this for 2021 and they wanted to implement something like this for 2022. And so FitFi is at the cross section of making this physical and digital world be put together. It's a culmination of physical experience, fitness with the metaverse through the use of NFTs and geo-location technology. Augmented reality also for better immersion is an added feature of the FitFi Metaverse. So this step app is a development protocol that was put together by Fitness Finance. And as you can see, Fitness Finance, they went ahead and put themselves on to crypto.com and they're on here and they're selling their FitFi tokens for for one token you give up 40 cents. So 40 cents, roughly 40 cents per token right now, and this is pre-launch price right now. So the FitFi tokens are the governance token of the platform. As you can see, it's already on crypto.com exchange and app. The KCAL tokens are the in-game tokens that they use to purchase different things. So KCALs should get you the these sneak NFTs shoes. And so what you do is you basically earn these fat points every day, and then you invite people and you collect. Once you connect your wallet, you get fat points for connecting your wallet and inviting people. And then after launch, you'll be able to convert your fat to the KCAL token, and you'll be able to take that and buy these sneaks NFT shoes. And so what makes this big? What makes this big is the game economy that they have. The play income, microtransactions, where you could purchase map styles, character skins, sneak skins, different kind of skins, and you can use your credit card to purchase it or crypto through their shop. Players can go against players. They can go against friends. You can go against family. You can combine. You can work with your friends, work with your family, and do competitions. We talked about doing competitions. Whoever wins the competitions or the tournament pool, you get a 2.5% fee deducted from your winnings. But they do have the tournament. They have a global leaderboard, a regional leaderboard. Tournament wins unlock unique skins and dedicated leaderboard. Participation in a tournament requires a ticket, purchases of which feed a prize pool, with the game taking 5% of all accrued ticket fees. The NFT marketplace, they have a 2.5% fee that applies on all NFT trades on the in-app NFT marketplace. NFT sales, limited edition sneaks are issued once a month. And they have this FitFi game economy. Buybacks, 50% of the play income is used to buy tokens off the market. Those that hold the governance token, they can vote to see if they want to burn up to 50% of the bought back tokens. The staking rewards of the 50% of the market bought tokens are distributed to stakers. Locks. And they talk about locks. They talk about liquidity of incentives, and they talk about so many different things on their site. And once you get into the site, you can go through this and you can just look at it. I just wanted to hit the wave tops on it, but they have a lot more on in their light paper and in their memorandum. They talk about NFT tokenomics, KCAL token value, and token distribution. So don't forget the sign up link in the video description. And when you sign up, you'll automatically earn 10 FAT per day. And after launch, you'll be able to convert those FAT points into KCAL tokens, which you can then use to buy your first pair of sneakers, NFT sneakers, and then you can start earning while you step, walk, jog, or run. And I'll be doing an update on sustainability of this project in the coming weeks. And also this week, I'll be announcing the $50 BNB giveaway winner. So be ready for that. And thanks to everyone for tuning in. Peace.